Good day to you. This is the video of the 3 floors building that is available right now for rent at a very affordable price. So look at the house. Wow, very spacious. Very spacious and well built by professionals. So look at the convenience and see, very big. Look at the next convenience, very big. Okay. So look at the stores. We'll go together. So look at, this is one of the rooms. How many rooms? This is one of the rooms. This is a newly built house. Very spacious. So this is the backyard. Yeah. This house is facing the main road, which makes it very much accessible by anyone from anywhere. And it is located at Wuse 2, Abuja, Nigeria. So this is a step. Oh, okay, this is a space for lift. Okay. So this is the first floor. Okay. See how spacious it is. This is one room. With AC. Very spacious and lovely. How many rooms did you see down? This is another room. How many rooms down there? 2 rooms. 3, 4, 5 rooms now. It's like the 5th room. With AC. It's like the 6th room. Okay. Okay. So this is a male and female toilet and bathroom for this big floor. I see it. Very lovely. Look at this one also. Male and female toilet and bathroom. all for this very floor, this very big floor. But all the rooms have their toilet and bathrooms inside.
Extra one for the floor,
Yeah.
because of maybe visitors and upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
The one matter with the still need AC.
Yeah. So there are ceiling ACs up.
Second floor.
This is the third floor. Very large.
This one of the rooms.
This is one of the rooms.
Where the toilet and the
It's
comfortable.
like the sixth room I've seen right now. Look at the toilet and bathroom. Lovely. Wow, this is another beautiful room. It's like the seventh room. All the rooms have AC. You can see it. Wonderful, so lovely. Even toilet has heater.
Yeah.
All the toilets have heater. All the bathrooms have heater. This is a well sophisticated house.
So over the second floor will have up to 8 rooms.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is like the eighth room.
Water heater.
See, they have shower, water heater, ocean basin. Like the eighth room. This one's like the ninth room. Wow, this house is big. This is a brand new house. You can see it's all set and ready for use. So this is like the 10th room. Wow, rooms are surplus in this house. Surplus rooms, well sophisticated with modern facilities. You can see the modern facilities. The colors are well chosen. Like the 10th room. Have I entered there? Okay, it's one of the rooms, just like the 11th room. Wow. Like the 12th room. See another room with the convenience. All the rooms are in suits. All the rooms have AC. All right. So this is me. Joy to the world.
This is where they live, guys.
Okay. This is where the lift ends. So this is the open floor. Wow. so beautiful. I like
It's gonna
standing.
it's gonna come with a roof. These are the pillar that carry the roof.
Yeah, the open floor is going to come with roof. You see, this place is very close to so many banks, filling stations, and all that. So it's in the heart of Wuse too. You can see it. So kindly contact us right now. If you're interested in this lovely house. Thank you. God bless you. As you keep on patronizing us. Huh?
So careful.
Okay. Thank you. This is for the AC. This is for the what, lift.
Lift. Yeah.
Lift. See the road for the lift. This is where it goes through. This is the second floor. This is the first floor. This house can be used for bank purpose, hospital purpose, or any commercial purpose. Okay. Okay. So this is the back of the house. See the AC slide up. Look at the GP tank, very big, enough to supply enough water.
Yeah, we have two. At the outer
Up.
roof then.
Okay, we have this one and two up.
Two up. Yeah.
Okay, those two, are they as big as this?
No.
Okay, smaller. Okay, that's good. So,
Okay, another room.
wow,
Mainly for staff.
wow, lovely.
Yeah.
See,
Maybe
this
for
is
staff.
another room.
Then go to the toilet and bathroom.
This is another room.
Toilet and bathroom.
This is the first and the room. So this is the toilet and the room.
Yeah, that's why we have. I'm coming to have this space as well.
Fridge, water heater, shower, everything. Alright, thank you. So, see, there are two GP tanks here.
Temperature of the water, so to go on this.
Yeah, I see. So this is the compound. A lot.